Today, you will learn how to do reverse numbering in Word. First, select your numbered list and press Ctrl-C to copy it. Now, place your cursor where you want the reversed list, click the Paste drop-down, choose Paste Special, select Unformatted Text, and click OK. Next, select the pasted text, go to the Insert tab, click Table, and choose Convert Text to Table. Simply click OK to keep the default settings. Now, with the table selected, go to the Home tab and click Sort. Make sure Column 1 is selected, choose Descending, and click OK. Your list is now reversed. After that, select the first column that contains the old numbers, right-click it, and choose Delete Columns. Then select the remaining table, go to the Layout tab, click Convert to Text, and click OK. Finally, while the text is still selected, go to the Home tab and click Numbering to apply fresh numbering. That's it! Your numbered list is now in reverse order. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.